Exposing the secret weapons of every home chef. You need to watch this if you struggle with boring kitchen tools. Let's discover the game changers. First up, the humble garlic press. Say goodbye to smelly fingers and hello to perfectly minced garlic. Next, the trusty immersion blender. It's like a magic wand for soups and sauces. Ever heard of a digital food scale? Precision is key, folks. How about a mandolin slicer? Perfect slices every time, just watch those fingers. Then there's the microplane zester. Tiny, zesty goodness for your dishes. Don't forget the salad spinner. Spin your way to crisp, fresh greens. Now, for the coffee lovers, a Burr coffee grinder. Freshly ground beans make all the difference. Need some storage solutions? Silicone food covers are eco-friendly and super handy. A meat thermometer is next. Perfectly cooked meat every time. Lastly, the cast iron skillet. This beast is versatile and lasts a lifetime. So there you have it, 10 gadgets to make your kitchen both fun and functional. Happy cooking, chefs!